Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ideas for Style. So in today's video I am sharing with you inspired bridal look. So guys, let's work on it. So first of all, I'm going to hide my dark and pigmented areas with concealer, and then I'm applying foundation and blend very well, because guys, blending is very important. So now I'm going to contour my nose and to also contour my forehead and my cheek area and my jawline area. So after applying product on it, I am going to blend it very well. So after it, I am using blush and then using highlighter. So guys, now I'm going to fill my eyebrows with the help of cream product. That I agree, good brows and good look and good mood. Please guys, like my video. I am so excited to see the eye makeup look. So first of all, I am using light transition shade, light brown transition shade on my crease area. And with the help of big blending brush, I am blended very well. The process always seems the same, but you know, the end results are always unique. So after it, I am applying the dark brown shade on the end of my eyes and dip it and mix it very well. So now I am applying a white shimmer on my eyelid. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. And I am applying little bit smudge eyeliner. I am using black pencil for inner eyes, and for lower lash line I am using exact same dark brown shade and blend it with light transition shade. Now applying eyelashes, and after it I am using mascara. For final look, I am applying lipstick, nude pink shade. So it's done. So my bridal look is here. So I hope you will like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.